Now I thought I'd show you where I'm at on this beam cutting. I've got 5 of them done. I got one more over there I'm going to cut, but that's probably going to be for floor joists. It'll probably end up, these are all like the longest, these 2 are about 21. And these 2 must be about 18. And the one on the end here is a little bit shorter. But they're all a good 6 inches thick. And our small end is about 12. Fat end about 14. Though this one is quite a little fatter. But like I say, this will probably be cut into floor joists. But those 4 will be the long and the short sides of the bottom logs. And like I say, that other one is probably going to be floor joist too. That log, I decided to only use the good portion here. The end of it was really gnarly. Now, you know, that would work as a wall log, but I don't want it as a foundation log because, you know, you've got to mortar stuff into them, and that's going to be a lot of monkey work with those, with all them knots. So that might end up just being firewood. But I've got all the slabs piled over here. And like I say, those I'm going to be trimming down. I'll do pretty much like I did when I cut the logs. What I'll do is nail my 2x6 on the middle, cut on both sides of it, so I end up with one piece. Then I'll cut the thickness down to 2 inches. But I'll end up with good solid pieces, and the only waste will be these, you know, little corner pieces. And even them I can always find use for. But I got a lot of good slabs there. Good oak. But that's where I'm at. I thought I would at least make a note of this. But I'll be glad when I can start cutting green. Because cutting this really seasoned stuff, it takes a while. But it goes okay. You know, and I'm really surprised, you know, like that last whole log I cut, you never have to tighten the chain up. You know, it doesn't seem to wear the chain at all. You're wearing on the cutters, but you're not wearing on the chain. So they seem to last. But I am limited. I do run into it once in a while where I can't go all the way through a log, because you got to figure, you know, you got a 2-inch. So really 16 is about the maximum thickness I can cut, which is about, you know, maximum I will be using anyway. So that's no big handicap. That's with a 20-inch bar. But that's how I'm doing it. You know, I just tack this 2x6 on, dump the rig on like that, and start cutting. So I'm taking that center piece, and then I end up with them 2 slabs. But that's working. But this will be the last of the hard stuff. Like I say, then I'll be getting into the green.